Hey there, have you ever thought about making $600 in just 3 hours? Well, it's totally possible, and I've got the method to prove it. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to make it happen using Google Maps and ChatGPT. But hold on, this isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. You'll need to put in some effort, but the potential payoff is definitely worth it. We'll start by finding the right businesses to target, then dive into effective research using Google Maps. Next, I'll show you how to create a killer sales script that will seal the deal. Oh, and let's not forget about pricing strategies and leveraging Google My Business to supercharge your success. Ready to dive in? Stick around because this video is jam-packed with the secrets you need to know. Let's get started. Step 1. Niche selection. Finding the right businesses to target. First, you need to pick a niche. That means finding a specific type of business to target. You can't just go after everyone. You have to focus. Think of it like being a specialist instead of a generalist. For example, targeting small service-based businesses like electricians, pest control services, or even local pet grooming can make things easier. Why? Because these businesses often need help getting noticed online, which is where you come in. When you choose one type of business and stick with it, you start to build experience in that area. If you help one pet grooming, it becomes easier to help another. You can use your previous success stories to show new clients that you know what you're doing. Plus, businesses feel more comfortable working with someone who understands their specific needs. So, how do you pick your niche? Think about businesses in your local area that are small and service-based. Maybe you know a few, or maybe you have a friend or family member who owns one. Start with them, get a feel for their needs, and build from there. Remember, the key is to start small, focus, and then expand. Next up, let's move on to doing the research to find the right businesses in the right locations. Step 2. Research. Using Google Maps effectively. Now that you have your niche, it's time to do some research, and Google Maps will be your best friend for this. You might think Google Maps is just for getting directions, but it's actually a goldmine for finding businesses that need your help. Here's how you can use it effectively. First, type in the business you're targeting, like pet grooming near me. Google Maps will show you a list of all the local businesses in that category. Now pay close attention to their listings. Look for businesses that don't have many reviews or don't show up at the top of the list. These are your potential clients. They need help to improve their online presence. Next, click on their profiles and check for things like missing contact information, bad photos, or no photos at all. These are all signs that they might need some extra help. Make a list of about 10, 15 businesses that look like they could use a boost. Once you've got your list, it's time to dig deeper. Visit their websites and see if there are any other red flags, like outdated information or broken links. The more problems you find, the better. These are all things you can offer to fix or improve, which makes you valuable to them. Now that you've got your list and know what needs fixing, let's talk about how to reach out to them in the right way. Step 3. Creating a winning sales script. Reaching out to these businesses is where the magic happens, and having a great sales script is key. Don't worry, you don't have to be a salesperson to do this. You just need to sound friendly, confident, and know what you're offering. Here's a simple script you can use. Start with a friendly introduction. Hi, my name is your name, and I help businesses like yours get more visibility online. Keep it short and to the point. Then mention something specific about their business. I noticed your Google listing could use a few updates, like adding more reviews or updating your photos. Next, offer them something valuable for free. I'd love to offer you a free audit of your online presence to show you how you can improve and attract more customers. This shows them you can provide value without asking for money up front. Finish with a simple call to action. If this sounds good, let's set up a quick call to discuss it further. What time works best for you? Keep it easy and open-ended. Step 4. Pricing strategy. How much should you charge? So, you've found your businesses and have your sales script ready. Now comes the big question. How much should you charge? This is where you can really start to see the money coming in. But you don't want to scare off potential clients with a price that's too high or sell yourself short with a price that's too low. Start by thinking about the value you're offering. If a business gets more customers because of your work, how much is that worth to them? For example, if you help them show up higher in Google searches, they might get 10, 20, or even 50 more customers each month. That could mean thousands of dollars in new business for them. A good starting point could be charging between $100 to $300 for a simple package, like fixing their Google listing or updating their photos. For more comprehensive work, like creating a full online presence or managing their Google My Business profile, you can go up to $500 or more. Make sure to offer different pricing options so they can choose what works best for them. Always remember to position your services as an investment, not an expense. Now that we've got the pricing sorted, let's move on to a secret weapon that can help you sell your services even more effectively. Step 5. Leveraging Google My Business course. Here's a clever trick. Offer free training to your potential clients. Google actually offers a free course on Google My Business, which shows how to use their tools to attract more customers. Most business owners don't even know this course exists, and that's where you come in. You can position yourself as an expert by suggesting that they take this free course. Tell them, hey, I can help you with all these things, but if you want to learn more, Google has a free course too. This builds trust and shows them you're genuinely interested in helping. Plus, many of them won't have the time or patience to take the course themselves, which makes them more likely to hire you to handle everything for them. It's a win-win. Now let's wrap up by talking about how to scale this side hustle and take it to the next level. Step 6. Building your client list and contacting businesses. Now that you've got everything in place, it's time to start building your client list and reaching out to businesses. The best way to start is by using Google Maps to find local businesses that might need your help. Look for businesses with incomplete or outdated profiles. Maybe their contact info is wrong, or they have no photos. These are your ideal clients. Once you have a list, start contacting them. You can do this by email or phone. Keep it simple. Introduce yourself, mention what you noticed about their profile, and explain how you can help them improve it. Use the sales script you prepared earlier to keep things smooth and to the point. The key is consistency. Reach out to a few businesses daily, and you'll start seeing responses. The more businesses you contact, the higher your chances of getting hired. So can you really earn $600 in 3 hours? Absolutely. But it takes effort, strategy, and consistency. The steps I've shared can get you there, but it's all about putting them into action. We're wrapping up here, but don't go just yet. You see that video popping up on your screen? That's like the secret sauce to amplifying your income. I've laid it all out for you there. Give it a click, and let's dive into some more strategies that are as exciting as they are profitable. It's not just another video, it's your next step towards financial freedom.